Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Office Gadgets is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful investments you can make to transform your workspace into a hub of efficiency and comfort, elevating your daily productivity and overall job satisfaction by seamlessly integrating innovative tools that cater specifically to the modern professional's needs, making every workday smoother and more enjoyable. Number 5. Everlasting Comfort Doctor Recommended Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Experts endorse this memory foam seat cushion for its exceptional comfort and support. It's designed to reduce tailbone pain and promote healthy posture, making it ideal for long sitting sessions. Crafted from 100% pure memory foam, this cushion conforms to your body for all-day comfort. It provides consistent support whether you're in an office chair or a car seat. Its machine washable, breathable cover ensures easy cleaning and lasting freshness. The non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place, providing stability and comfort during use. The ergonomic U-shape cutout is specifically designed to alleviate tailbone and lower back pain. It supports correct spinal alignment, offering relief and promoting better posture. This cushion is incredibly versatile, fitting various seats from office chairs to car and airplane seats. It maintains its shape over time, providing lasting support for sciatica and tailbone relief. What we like. This cushion offers exceptional comfort and support, specifically designed to alleviate tailbone and lower back pain. Its ergonomic U-shape and 100% memory foam construction promote healthy posture during long sitting sessions. If you are looking for doctor-recommended support and lasting comfort for extended workdays, you should consider this. What people say. Number 4. Lamicall Cell Phone Stand, Silver. This stand works with almost any smartphone, from 4 to 8 inches, even with a case on. It supports popular models like iPhones and Galaxy phones, ensuring your device fits perfectly. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it offers exceptional stability for watching videos or making calls. Plus, its non-slip rubber pads keep both your phone and desk safe from scratches. Use it at home to easily follow recipes while cooking or keep your phone accessible on your nightstand. No more fumbling for your alarm in the morning, it makes everyday tasks simpler. It provides a comfortable viewing angle, perfect for your office desk. You can effortlessly glance at incoming notifications and calls, even when your phone is in silent mode. A large, thoughtfully designed hole in the back allows your charging cable to bend gracefully. Its beveled edge ensures your cord won't get cut, making it a perfect charging dock. What we like. This stand provides a stable and scratch-free cradle for your smartphone, compatible with a wide range of devices. Its thoughtful design includes a large hole for graceful charging cable management, keeping your desk tidy. If you are looking for a simple, stable, and convenient way to prop up your phone while charging, you should consider this. What people say. Number 3. LISEN Cell Phone Stand. This stand is designed for your comfort, helping you combat text neck and improve your posture. It offers an adjustable height and angle, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. Enjoy a perfect viewing experience without blocking subtitles, ideal for your office desk, TikTok, FaceTime, or Zoom calls. This essential accessory helps reduce neck and back strain, making it a must-have for anyone who values comfort. Say goodbye to bent cables and tangles with its sleek and stable design. It features a built-in charging hole and smart cable management, keeping your workspace neat and your device secure. The back and the bottom of this holder are fully covered by anti-skid silicone. This ensures maximum protection for your device, preventing any scratches or accidental slides. This stand sits perfectly at eye level, enhancing your gaming experience by providing clear sound and visibility of reactions. It helps you connect better, whether you're a gamer or just want to improve your interactions. Your experience matters to us. If it arrives damaged or breaks within 365 days, reach out for a quick solution. We're also here to help with assembly, ensuring a hassle-free setup. What we like. This stand boasts an ergonomic and adjustable design, allowing you to customize height and angle for optimal viewing. It helps fight text neck and improves posture, making it ideal for video calls or gaming. If you are looking for an adjustable stand to improve your posture and keep your workspace clutter-free, you should consider this. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no product details could be extracted. Number 2. Zyllion Shiatsu Massager ZMA-13. Introducing the ultimate solution for muscle tension. It brings professional-grade massage right to your home. It combines traditional Shiatsu techniques with comforting heat. This helps to melt away stress and improve blood circulation. Its advanced 3D electric kneading technology targets deep tissue. You'll feel relief in your back, neck, and other areas. Designed to alleviate muscle soreness and stiffness. It provides a therapeutic massage experience whenever you need it. Compact and easy to use, you can enjoy its benefits anywhere. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly to your body contours. Transform your daily routine with this powerful massager. Discover the difference deep tissue relief can make for you. What we like. This massager delivers powerful Shiatsu kneading with an optional heat function for deep tissue muscle pain relief. Its compact design makes it versatile for use on your back, neck, or other areas needing tension release. If you have muscle pain or tension and are looking for a portable, effective way to relax, you should consider this. What people say. Number 1. Homedics EnviraScape Silver Springs Tabletop Water Fountain. Bring a calming, zen feel to any room with this decorative tabletop fountain. It's the perfect size to add an accent to any surface, from your office desk to your bathroom vanity. This Asian-inspired fountain features 3-tiered leaves where water streams down. Its extra deep basin allows for the serene sounds of cascading waters to fill your home. It also includes natural river rocks for added beauty. Designed with a quiet, built-in submersible pump, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply fill the basin to the water line, and it circulates the water, keeping it clean. Plus, it has a convenient on-off switch for effortless control. A unique lighting feature creates a soft reflection of the natural flow of fresh running water. This illuminating glow adds a romantic ambience to any space. Use it to de-stress and unwind after a hard day. Turn it on before bedtime to drift off to sleep, or place it in a nursery for a gentle nightlight. It's also perfect for meditation or yoga. Your purchase includes the fountain, a set of natural river rocks, and all necessary components for quick setup. An instruction manual is also provided to guide you. What we like. This tabletop fountain creates a calming, zen atmosphere with the gentle, soothing sounds of cascading water. Its decorative design, natural river rocks, and soft illumination add a tranquil accent to any room. If you are looking for a unique decor piece to de-stress and bring a peaceful ambience to your office or home, you should consider this. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. The source JSON was empty, so no positive points could be identified or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.